Out here riding in the rain. Scratch that last post. I guess it is gonna rain today. Looks nice out though. Probably just gonna rain on me and my parade. Figures. Should dry up though soon. Hopefully. I'm not gonna take any freeway just because I don't want to be on that with it wet. I don't know about these tires on the wet yet. Not about to test my luck on it. Damn it. What are you doing? Well, at that point I might as well go left. Indecisive drivers. I'm not sure how good you can see right now. Try to wipe that off for you. It's not raining too bad. It's just a little sprinkle, a little drizzle. Something we're all used to, especially out here. Live in a rainforest. Can't get all this greenery without the rain though. I mean, you can get the greenery that you smoke without it, but can't get all the trees, the rivers, the waterfalls, all that stuff without it. So we don't mind it. Get used to it. That one just hurt my feelings. I really wanted to go. Might end up going straight if it doesn't turn me. Oh, it does turn me. Out here in Rosemere, Vancouver, Washington. Oh yeah, it's starting to rain a little bit now. Should probably get some what's it called? Rain X or something for the GoPro. Maybe even for my visor as well. It's not really sticking to it, but it's not flying off it like I should. S&S Mart, ghetto store. It's all gated up. I'm trying to get to that part out there where it's all nice and clear. Get out of this rain. Looks like I'm getting deeper and deeper into the rain. See, that's what I'm talking about. People are just used to it. Little shirt on. She don't care. Here I am dressed in all this gear complaining about it. But not really complaining about it. That's the interstate I usually take to skip all this, but this is the long route now. Again, because it's raining, it's pretty slick out. This car is going a little too slow. I got a little cut short right here. Shortcut, however you guys want to say it. Trying to test out that how slick it was turning. Oh man, this fucking van with the same way I was going. Watch him turn left up here as well. Doing the same thing I'm doing. Oh, except for I missed that bump. Yeah, it feels slippery. Anyways, so that's the end of this little adventure. I'm gonna get back to my spot, get back in Hazeldale, and I'll be back on later.